Another way the online academy allows you to interact is through the use of forums. As you can see, we're back on the music intro course, signed in as John Doe, student. If you go down here to forums and click, you will see some interactive message boards. We have a test forum up here. We have some group forums. What group forums would be is if the class had been broken into groups. If you go back to the music list, you'll see that we can assign groups of students. And if that were the case, there's automatically a forum where students from those groups can interact. I'm going to go down to this bottom forum. This forum is called Classical Music. This is a music course. And there is a string, a thread, they call it, within the group called Bach, Discussions of Bach and His Work. So let's click on that thread. In this forum, there's been one post that's been seen twice. The poster was Jane Doe, and she posted back on January 4th. Remember, Jane is the instructor of this course, so she obviously wants to start a discussion among her students. Jane Doe wrote, "Students, tell me your impressions of Bach's work." The students would be able then to reply by just clicking the reply button. And this will give the student an opportunity to post a reply. These replies will be visible to all users that are in the course, so the students can build on each other's replies. They can add replies, reply to each other's replies, and get some real interaction going on. So this is still updating here. Here we go. Impressions of Bach. Let's go ahead and do a reply. This looks very much like a word window here, or just a word processing window. I really like Bach's work. He may be my favorite composer. His music is complex yet simple in melody. Reading about the life of Bach also adds character to his music. Okay? When we're happy with that response, all we'll do is come down here and click OK. Your message has been stored in the database. We can view the message, we can return to the forum topic list, or we can turn to the forum index. Let's go to the topic list again. Impressions of Bach. Now you'll see that there's two posts. So if I click on this, you'll see the original post by Jane Doe, and you'll see John Doe's response. Again, as many students can respond, John Doe can respond to any of the responses that have been put, and in the end we have a good interactive discussion on the work of Bach.